Welcome back to the Flower Garden. My name is Lisa, and today I wanted to talk about something that a lot of law of attraction beginners get wrong when they start consciously using the law of attraction to manifest things that they want. And what this is this misinterpretation that people have that when they are consciously working with the law of attraction, that the magic of the thing manifesting, whatever it is that they want, right, is in the techniques that they're doing. Okay, so thinking that this magic, quote unquote, right, this attracting is happening from an external source rather than yourself. Okay, so what I wanted to talk about today is the fact that the magic is you. It is not in any of the manifestation techniques that you're doing. So let's get into it. So what people need to understand with the law of attraction, and slowly people start to understand this, and maybe on a conscious level we understand this, but on a subconscious level we think that the magic is outside of ourselves. Okay, so what we have to understand is when we say law of attraction, right, you're becoming the point of attraction, okay? And something that I talk about often is, yes, you are becoming the point of attraction, but you are actually switching realities to a reality where whatever it is that you want is already there, because there's a limitless amount of realities. However, the point is still that the point of attraction, the center from which you are moving, is yourself. Okay, so something that a lot of people misinterpret is they think that there's a best manifestation technique. Okay, so oftentimes I go live on Facebook. If you don't follow me on Facebook, go ahead and follow my page. I go live every Friday and do just like a Q&A format. But a question that I get all the time is, what is the best manifestation technique? What's the best method? What's the quickest? What's gonna XYZ? And there really isn't a best manifestation technique, and the reason is because, like I said, you're the center of manifestation. But also with all of these different techniques, the reason that we have so many different techniques in this community, in this space, is because different things resonate with different people. So you might actually like scripting, or you might like visualizing, or you might like doing something else versus another thing. And so when it comes to choosing a manifestation technique, it's all really about preference. There isn't a best manifestation technique. It's all about, do I want to journal what it is that I want? Do I want to visualize it? Do I want to, do a rain dance? Like whatever, right? There's so many different ways to do it. The most important thing to remember is that you have to embody the version right now of yourself that you want to be in your desired reality. So then the question comes in, well, what do I do in order to align myself to that desired reality? How do I do that? So the way that you do that is by changing your story, rewriting your story. So there are all of these stories that we have about ourselves, okay? And all of these come from, our past experiences, from our childhood, from conditioning, from society, from the entertainment that you consumed as a child or consume now. So we're constantly being bombarded with information and constantly being bombarded with how we should be thinking, what we should be seeing as right or wrong and whatnot. So it's up to you to make sure that you have enough awareness of yourself, right? Who you are as a person and what it is you like, what you value, all of those things, in order to decide for yourself, what kind of person do I want to be? So a lot of times people think, okay, well, this is how I grew up. These are the lessons that I learned. This is just how I am. I can't change who I am. This is the way I am. And I see this time and time again with people where they have all kinds of, limiting beliefs based on what I can do, what I can't do, right? Like, oh, I'm someone that I suffer from anxiety, so I'm constantly overthinking things. All of these stories that we tell ourselves that are often lies. They're often lies, and the reason they're lies is because we are multidimensional, expansive beings that can manifest, that can create whatever we want. We are perfectly created to be the perfect creators. We're here to create, okay? And that starts with being able to create yourself into who you want to be. That is the premise of the law of attraction, right? Is you have to work on yourself, on the internal, for the external to show up. So something that I want to introduce to you that I am actually launching pretty soon is my coaching program. And it goes along really well with this. If you're someone who is sitting here thinking like, okay, so I know I have limiting beliefs regarding XYZ. You know, I have limiting beliefs regarding relationships, or I have limiting beliefs regarding money or regarding career or whatever. And the way that you know this is, okay, I know that I have issues in this area of my life, so there must be limiting beliefs there. We don't get in this space, in this community often, there's not really a way to work through your limiting beliefs, okay? So kind of often what we do is we just self-diagnose ourselves, okay? We're like, okay, so I'm gonna listen to a bunch of affirmation tracks on YouTube, okay, I'm gonna journal a bunch, I'm gonna meditate, and hopefully that something somehow changes subconsciously for me, right? That changes my thoughts and my beliefs, and then they become empowering, okay? So with my coaching program, what I do is I actually help you to identify, to dig in and look at what are all of the beliefs that are holding you back from being the version of yourself that you want to be. So what are these things that you're completely unaware of? Most of us are completely unaware of what are the deepest roots of our limiting beliefs, okay? So we might know I have limiting beliefs surrounding this subject, but I don't know exactly what they are, where they come from, what does it mean to have them, how do I shift them? So that's something that I help with. If that's something you're interested in, I will have a link below for you to actually request a call, a 30-minute call with me, so we can find out if, you know, this is even a good choice for you. But I wanted to put that out there because this is already the topic that we're talking about in this video, and I'm launching my coaching program. So if you're interested in that, then you can check out the link below. If you found that helpful, then make sure you turn on the notification bell, because in the next video, I'm actually going to be talking about whether you are awake enough. Okay, so this is a question that comes up a lot, is people are like, am I awake enough? Like, am I awakened? What is it? Am I? Right? So we're gonna talk about that next time. And if you want to see more videos about the law of attraction, about shifting your mindset to be more of a positive thinker, about personal development, sometimes we talk about aliens. So if you want to see more of that, then you can check out these videos right here. And until next time, I hope you have an awesome week, an awesome day. I love you. Bye.